Welcome to our fall sales event. We're selling tires for less. Currently it's running through November. You can receive up to $200 in rebates on select name brand tires, and will help keep you from slipping and sliding around this winter in the Northwest burbs. We definitely have a price match guarantee. No one sells for less than Martin Chevrolet here in Crystal Lake. And remember, at Martin Chevrolet, every time you come for service, we're going to do a tread depth check, we're going to test your battery, and we're going to also do a free alignment evaluation right here in the service drive. And you'll get a report printed out and given to you for service. Just click on a link below, see how much money you're going to save on tires. Also, we have the ability to free valet your vehicle in and out. So in other words, we'll pick up from work, from home, and we'll get it fixed for you, and we'll get it delivered back to you hassle-free. If you have any questions, just leave a message here on social media, or give us an appointment online, or just give us a call anytime, and we'll take good care of you. Thank you for your business.